This is question 25 from section 1 of the 2018 ECAA paper. So we're given a scenario in which we have two fair six-sided dice, one of which is red and one of which is blue, and we roll both of them. And what we do for our score is we take the number on the red dice and divide it by the number on the blue dice. And we get our score, and we're asked to find a probability of getting a score of 0.5. So we've got these red and blue dice. How on earth do we calculate this probability? Well, we know for the red and blue that there are 36 possible combinations because there's 6 red numbers, 6 blue numbers, right? And because we can distinguish between the red and blue dice because they're different colours, we've got 36 possibilities for the pair, and they are all equally likely. So for a red 3 and blue 3 is the same as a red 5, blue 2, red 5, blue 4, etc. They're all the same probability. And so, all we actually have to do is count up the number of ways we can score 0.5. And if we do that, divided by 36, we'll get the probability of getting a score of a half. So what combinations give us a score of a half? Well, what about red equals 1? What do we need blue to be? Well, the number on red dice is divided by the number of the blue dice. So 1 divided by something is a half. It's got to be 2. So red 1, blue 2. Red 2, you probably guessed it, similar idea. So 2 over something is a half. So the blue dice has to be 4. And it's the only possibility for a red dice of 2. And if the red dice is 3, then the blue dice must be 6. Now I'm going to stop. And why is that? Well, if red's 4, the blue dice would have to be 8. But clearly you can't get an 8 on a 6-sided dice. So this is actually all our combinations. So we've got 3 combinations that we can have to get a score of a half. And so the probability we're looking for is the number of combinations that get a score of a half, 3 over the number of combinations, total 36. We can cancel the 3 from numerator and denominator to get a 12, and that corresponds with option D in the multiple choice. So our answer is D.